Hi guys. I am having one of those days where nothing is going to get me down. Not that it would or that it should, but like it started out this morning, was absolutely beautiful. I met a friend at the park. There were some other people that were there early, which is really kind of nice because I didn't expect anybody there. But we just had a really nice time. And then I've been meeting a bunch of new people here, which has been awesome. Very nice to meet everybody. Thank you to all my new friends out there. You guys have been absolutely awesome. Of course, there are certainly people that get blocked who are just not on the same page, and that's okay. There's other people for them to be friends with. But I just wanted to step out here into the woods. It's so pretty out here. There's a pond. It's got a bunch of algae on it, but there's some ducks over there right now, splashing around and having fun. I guess I'll go this way. But yeah, I was a little bit irritated. I'm trying not to be irritated, but there's spray paint. It's one thing to have trail markers. I'm okay with trail markers, but they have been spraying words and all kinds of stuff on trees, on the ground, on dirt, on leaves, like just spray painting everything everywhere. And this is my little wildlife preserve here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go online and I am going to find some signs that I can make and post at each of the different entrances to this little neighborhood slice of heaven where our deer reside, and our barred owl and our ducks and our geese and all the other wildlife that's back here. And maybe put up a sign that says like nature preserve. Maybe I'm guessing that the kids that are back here doing this stuff are fairly new, and I think they need to know what the rules are, and I think that's the best way that I can think of going about it. So if you guys have some other suggestions, let me know. And if I see any more spray painting, which I know there's more up here on the trees, I would like suggestions on how to get it off from the trees too. If you have any squirrels all over. If you have any suggestions, that would be great. Again, I'm okay with the trail marking. I'm not okay with the words and the faces and all the other just junk that they are spray painting literally everywhere. But yeah, how to get spray paint off from trees would be really good to know. Thanks. Bye. Here's a bunch more stuff I don't like seeing out here. Trash everywhere. Bunch of spray paint. Bunch of spray paint. More spray paint over here. More there. More there. More up there. More on the trees. Right there. Here's some more paint. Now, this tree is probably 3 foot across at chest height, and it's probably 5 feet across at the bottom. And it is a giant tree. It has been out here for forever and has not had to deal with this. There are several trees out here like this.